Hi guys, this is the 1st of March 2023. So just want to have like a bit of a broader look here of what we are what am I looking at, potential swing setups as well that I like. But first thing first, we are looking at the dollar index here. So um, so far Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've seen quite a bit of weakness in the dollar. Now, what I'm watching is if we manage to come to 103.75, and if we manage to close below this 103 775 level, then dollar might be in trouble here and might resume its decline. So all this run up, might have been just to to entice some dollar bulls. But I think on the long run, if we close below this level here, then we might be looking lower. So if that is the case, there is plenty of downside targets. And generally, if you think about it, dollar doesn't have inherently a lot of value, because they have been printing trillions and trillions last few years. So it's extremely artificially inflated currency. So that's that. So uh, but then again, just to highlight that, to make the bearish case stronger, I would need to see a strong close below 104 103.75. Okay. Now there is two potential swing positions which I like the look of. So first one is, let's look at natural gas. So what I like here is that we really dug, like pretty much, from November last year. This has been, a slide to the downside. So what I'm looking at is basically the fact that we had a strong, like a final push, like starting from February, the middle of February, towards the end of February, and now we managed to come above this high. So seasonally, natural gas is bullish in this part of the year. So what I'm looking for, if you go on the 1 hour chart, I would like, basically, I'm personally looking to go long once we come down to this area here. So where you see the gray line around 2.673. This is where I would like to enter. Should we come down, and for just as the trade idea itself, I would like to, basically limit my losses around 2.583, so it does not necessarily need to go lower. If it does, it does not mean that I don't turn bearish, but just from risk to reward, perspective, I like this. I already, I accumulated positions, like lower, so I have quite a large position, around 2.1. I got in around 2.1, so I'm basically just wanting to build this position. And also, if you think about it, this is one of the resources that natural gas, will not stay cheap. Period. Right. So if you ask me, we are extremely oversold. I would not be surprised if, by the end of the year, we are looking at, I don't know, $10 or more, right? So look, we are at 2.5 some and change. I mean, by the end of the year, I think $10 is in the cards. So mark my words. So this is quite uh, you don't want to be thinking, when it's trading around 7, that, oh, I should have brought when it was, when it was still cheap, blah blah blah. No, 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 no. I'm yeah, as I said, I'm holding long positions already, and I'm willing to add more if it's dropping lower. But for um, an interim, sort of trade, which you would be holding for I don't know, anything between 3 days to 2 weeks. I'm looking to enter long around 2.67. And if you look at, so where would we target, right? So if you look on the 4 hours, so first target would be obviously just, this highs which we made, so 2.8. Second would be around 2.9, and then next one would be around 3.32. And then basically beyond that, you just want to make sure that you still hold, a little bit of the position for more upside. So that's natural gas. Now, if you look at oil, oil is not a resource that will stay cheap forever. What I like is that we have all these lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, um, and seasonally also this is bullish. So just to keep it long story short, basically I'm looking to enter longs around 75 95 level, and basically I would limit losses around 74.97, so basically where the red line is, right? And again, target 1 is here 77.80, target 2 79.50, and then beyond that, basically we just want to hold a little bit of the trade if you manage to get long in here, to hold for higher prices. If we look on the daily, I think these highs look really nice. So I would say 93.80 is well within the reach. Now, obviously, this won't get there in 3 days, right? So this would require some patience, and let's see how we trade. But I think basically we want um, to fill our boots, down here, and then scale out basically as we move higher and higher. Now, yeah, so this entry I'm looking at is based on the 1 hour. So I like the fact that this low is lower than this low here. So I trust that this low should not be taken out, and I like this little area here. Where and now it's pushing away a little bit, but I like to see 75, 95, and then go higher from there. So that's it basically on the grand scheme of things. And don't really like the look of anything else right now. I certainly don't like the look of stocks, because there are some stocks here which if it's energy related stocks, they probably have some more upside. But then again, basically energy, you're trading natural gas, so you might as well just trade natural gas instead of trading the energy companies, which are anyway heavily reliant on natural gas. So take it for what it's worth, and yeah, if you manage to get long, on either natural gas or oil, then yeah, we'll basically monitor these positions, and see how everything unfolds. So yeah, that's it for now. Ciao.